Hi everyone, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to check the acidity level of drinks using phenolphthalein titration method. So let's get started. So first of all, we need to get rid of the gas in our drinks. I will use this device for checking our glassware. We need to put our flasks in special place and after that turn on our device and with special switch regulate speed like that, and after some minutes all gas molecules will leave the drinks. So let's start our titration experiments. Firstly, we should take 10 milliliters of our green drink. Let's do it. Okay, then let's dilute it with 100 milliliters of distilled water. I will measure with this measuring cylinder. Can you see? Only 100 milliliters of distilled water. We should shake it and add our indicator phenolphthalein. 2-3 drops. Okay. Again, shake it and start our titration. Let's do it. We should watch how many milliliters of our sodium hydroxide we are spending on changing color. Color will be pale pink. Watch carefully on our flask. Can you see? As I said, pale pink color. Our titration was successful and we have spent only 4.4 milliliters of our sodium hydroxide. Let's continue with our red drink. And you know, red drink we should take only 5 milliliters and dilute it with 200 milliliters of distilled water. Why? It's due to darker color. It will be harder to see color change. That's why we should have less drink and more distilled water. Let's do it. Then let's measure 200 milliliters of distilled water. And then add our indicator. Also 2-3 drops. Then we should add our sodium hydroxide due to we have spent on our past experiment. This while let's do it with our flask. Okay, let's try titration. Yeah, as you can see, it's pale pink color. And our titration was successful, and this is the end of our analysis. So this is the end of my video. Total acidity level of our drinks we can calculate with this formula. And I wanted to say, if you have some questions or comments, just write me under this video. So have a good day. Bye bye.